Picanto 2 1 litre 5-door. Just on a full 12,000 miles from new. Just going to have a quick walk down the driver's side of the vehicle first. Some lovely breeze blue metallic. I'll take you in for a close up of the 14-inch alloys. And now just take you around to the boot area. Okay, so we've got a 64-inch split on the rear seats there. Let's just come out and then just show you the sticker on the rear window. As you probably know, 7-year warranty from Kia. This was registered on the 31st of March 2022. We've serviced the vehicle twice. Into the rear sitting area. Everything in lovely condition. So I'll walk down on this side of the vehicle. Take a closer to the bonnet and the paintwork, everything as it should be. And now just jump into the cab itself. I'll just show first of all there the seat height adjuster, all your trims. So everything in spot on condition. Okay, we've got electric windows front and rear, electric heated mirrors, 2 keys there. Let's just jump in. When you jump into the cab, you'll see the dash, all trip computer. You see they're averaging a very healthy 57 to the gallon. Very cheap car to run. All controls here for your radio and your Bluetooth. Auto lights on this side. If we go into the middle, we've got air conditioning, or USB and charging socket there. Go to the centre display, you'll see DAB radio or Bluetooth. Okay, 5-speed manual box. As I mentioned, it's done a full 12,800 miles. Okay, let's just jump out for one last look. If you'd like to know more about this car, you can myself Tom, around the sales team on 01507 602222, or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.